Hi folks, here we have another attic insulated perfectly to SCI standards. So firstly, we installed 300 ml of mineral wool insulation throughout the attic. It's the most environmentally friendly type of insulation because it's 80% recycled materials. Then we also insulated the pipes and the tanks to prevent freezing during the winter months. In addition to that, we fitted OSB plywood flooring, which is the most stable and secure flooring for attic flooring. We don't do cheap chipboard. We fit our flooring perfectly by our skilled carpenters. And in addition to this, the customer asked us to fit some shelving in the attic. So we just fitted some basic shelving going along just to give the customer a little bit of extra storage space. So that's it. That's Insulate Your Attic, where we did attic insulation and flooring. So if you want work done like this, you can contact me, Christopher. I'm the owner of the business and I'll deal directly with you. We always complete the work to the highest standards at a very fair price. So please do get in touch today.